Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Flores. Today is Sunday. 1 second, please. Have this thing flashing. I don't know what that means. So if I look this way. Okay. So, excuse me. Today is August 1st. And we're gonna analyze some of the pairs that might look good for this week. I am using simplicity and 2 easy indicators from the super easy system. So we are gonna be doing some analysis. Okay, I've been showing my trades for the last few weeks. I would say a couple months already. Where are the trades? Account history right there. Where is that? One second, please. Account history. Make this a little big here so I can show it to you. And I like to show the trades. So even the losses and the wins. Oh, the last month we've been pretty much break even. I haven't grown my account or go down in any sense of time. Last custom period. Let's see if I can get from. Okay, well, it's last week is Sunday, July. The very last Sunday was the 25th, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 25th, all the way to August, Friday the 30th. And I'm going to show you the trades and make this a little bigger here. Okay, and these are pretty much all the trades for the week. Okay, 1 second. And you can see we are very close to break even. I'm actually $5.86 on this account, and this is the account that I'm showing this group, so you can see with a 30-minute strategy. I mean, and if it's profitable. And I gotta say, the only time that I look for trades on this, on 30 minutes, it's very early in the mornings, right where Uncle P, the creator of this system, it's recommending to look for trades. And I'm strictly just look for trades within a expand time of 15-20 minutes, and that's it. So what that means is sometimes I'm going to lose some entries that maybe came later during the morning, but I'm trying to just create a routine and test that strategy this way. For the last month, it's been very hard. I mean, during that during the summertime, it was very tough. Okay, and when I say tough, is it was very hard to make money. Been just breaking even. But this last week, you know, it's starting getting real better. You can see this trade right here, and you can see those are a lot of pips. It's just I'm using very small lots for this because how the market was behaving, just pretty much natural sideways. But I saw a little improvement later in this week. I had 2 strong losses. I think yeah, that was during the week too. But I was carrying this trade from last week. If I would have correct one of these losses, would be in profit right now. But we are break even pretty much. That is nothing right there. Okay, but we are going to continue. The markets are going to start behaving normal right after August, halfway of August. I can promise you, I see that every single year. It starts looking better, and we'll see if it's if this strategy I'm gonna test it pretty much 3-4 months strictly. I want to collect about 200-300 traits and then do our numbers to see if it's a profitable way to trade. This is without, sometimes the majority of the time I don't do any bigger time frame analysis, meaning I don't necessarily look at the 1 hour, 4 hour, which is recommended, but I'm just strictly going by the strategy, which is just if you see a triple arrow on the sell or buy zone and all the indicators are telling you the right direction, I go into a trade. It's very easy to get 15-20 pips, but I've been trying to go a little bit longer now, try to make those trades a little bit more profitable, longer. So we're gonna keep, I might switch little things here and there. I might look for 4 hours, sometimes daily. I have another account. That account I really look at the daily, look for the most important zones, and when I see that the price are in those zones, I go back to my simplicity, and if we're in the zone, we're in the zone. Daily zone, I mean, those are the strongest zones you can get pretty much. So let's get it going. Let me get rid of this right now and exit out of this. Odd USD, it's looking good. I will definitely wait for the 30-minute arrow to go up, and if everything lines up, we're just gonna enter into the trade. I've been for the last 2 weeks, if you saw my videos, okay, I'm trying to go to the 4 hour now. I'm expecting the market to jump up from this buy zone. So even in the buy zone on the 4 hour time frame is in the buy zone, so it will be a good idea to start looking for buys on the odd USD. So the moment I see 30 minutes on the odd USD, if I see triple arrows, preferably in the zone, not here in the middle, buy in the zone, all the indicators are lining up to buy, I'm gonna go into that. Odd CHF, those all trades, you see the market just started going this Sunday, and the same idea, and almost on the odd ends, the odds odd pairs, odd pairs, very much. Look for triple arrows and buy. Don't over leverage your account, meaning that don't enter in every single pair, enter in 1 or 2, that's it. Always recommended 2% of your account. Don't go more than that per trade, otherwise you will be risking it too much. In the market, if you're not disciplined, if you don't follow the rules the way it is, the market is not going to forgive you. It's going to take the money. Okay, that was the only one that doesn't look too good. I don't know why it looks like that. I want to put attention. Cat CHF. Well, the market's had a big jump this opening, this Sunday. Look very, very sideways. Stay away from those. We're looking for very good looking pairs. Okay. That looked like a real good setup right there on Friday. But right now it's not a good time to trade, so I'm pretty sure it's going to do a pullback and maybe give you another entrance later. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. I'm not gonna analyze every single pair, but we're gonna be looking at this. See. All right, this is pulling back. Euro USD. Euro NCD. It's getting in the zone, but it looks very, very choppy. Big candles. Stay away from that one. Doesn't look too good. We're looking for smaller candles, stuff like this. That might give an entrance in the morning. We'll check it out. Euro CAD, Euro JPY. Euro JPY. It looks like this. It's just in the middle. Nowhere right now in between zones. Just skip those right away. And right here where I'm in the buy right now. That was one of the trades that I left on since last week. What we got so far? Trade. I guess we got about 20 pips, something like that. Did I just closed out? I didn't want to close it, to be promise you. Oh god. Okay. I guess I'll let it pull back and I'll see you later. But I just closed that trade. Good thing it was in profit. Okay, so that's sweet. Sorry about that. Today's Sunday. I'm not focused on trading, but just wanted to do that video for you guys. Let's see. Oh, okay. And let me see why I was holding this. Let's see if I have a legit reason. Okay, I was trying to go to the 50 on the 4 hour. Okay, at least it's the right direction. Okay. Check it out. On the 4 hour, we're gonna give you a tip if you want to make a note of it. This is a little bit different style of training. Every time, this is the 50 right there. We're in the 4 hour. Let me look at the daily before I say something. Okay, the daily is doing that giant pullback. But this has a possibility just because on the 4 hour, because it's underneath the 50. Unless you get triple arrows anywhere here, if it crosses the 50, then what I'm telling you, it voids. But if you get any red candle, engulfing candle anywhere in this area, and that is not close above the 50, that will be a good trade to enter for kind of swing trade pretty much. I don't want to miss you up, but that's one of the strategies right there. You break the previous low, boom, we break it right here, and then it's pulling back. We need a few candles on the green. Then if it's below the 50, you can still go for another low, just going with the 4 hour trend pretty much. Okay, bub. Okay, your GP, your odd. That one's looking good. I like the size of the candles and everything. So let's see where we're on the 4 hours. See if it's a pullback or a continuation trade daily. There's definitely a continuation trade to the top, but it's super extended. If I shrink this, I look left to see for any resistance, and it's definitely getting very, as a matter of fact, we're right there in that resistance. So it's a good, if you're like a long swing trader, this is going to turn around anywhere here, or that's a big possibility, at least anywhere in this area, which is a big area, I know, but it can start turning around anytime, and just let it turn around. You will have to leave it for weeks, but you gotta have that kind of patience to do those trades long term. Your chief, okay, that is looking good too. It's looking like it might be starting a good pullback. We got support, definitely, boom, 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 all this support right there, all that support. It's a good spot for this to at least do a good pullback and then do a continuation trade. That's in the daily. In the 4 hour, yeah, definitely. Let's look. We have had divergence here. This is going up, this is going down. That is called divergence. So those are good pairs right there to keep an eye. Market's looking good in some of the pairs, especially in the 4 hours. So even in the 30 minutes, I mean, you get what I'm trying to say here, 4 hours. If I waited 4 hours, it's my guarantees of catching the trade at the very low, it's better than if I go to 30 minutes, because on 30 minutes, this can easily keep going a couple more lows. These are lows, low, lower low, lower low, lower low, when I say this can go a couple more on the 30 minutes, and then I just get mad with that pair and I don't see it again. But that's why you want to see sometimes the 1 hour and then the 4 hour, because if you get triple arrows on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and I mean you already have it obviously in the, because by the time you get triple arrows on the 1 hour, that means that you already had it on the 15 and 30. So because it's going to show first in the 5 minutes, they're going to then 15 minutes, then 30 minutes, the triple arrows they're going to show in this order, okay, not the other way around. Okay, friends, so okay, that looks like a good trade. I would like to wait for a pullback on this one. The pullback on this one, and if it gives me a reason to go in, I will definitely go in. GP looking good. UPSG, UPJPY. Already did that pullback. Make this a little bit bigger. Give me a pullback. You had a good resistance right there. You can see it. See that resistance right there? That's one resistance. That's another resistance. So this one started pulling back right here. Then you wait for a good engulfing candle, which here I don't see it. Let me go to the 1 hour. Same area. Well, you didn't get an engulfing candle, but it's breaking low definitely right there. 15 minutes. Yeah, I need this. It was a good entrance right there, pretty much coming down. Okay, 30 minutes again. GPCHF. 30 minutes. Why do you pull it in? Forgot. I just got this brand new laptop. I'm still gonna install the other symbol changer where you have all the pairs down here. Okay, that looks very extended. Sometimes if you let's say, let me give you another tip. You got 30 minutes right there. If you're waiting for triple arrow right there, if you want to confirm your trade, if it's a good spot in reality, I mean, you want to look left. But on the 30 minutes, sometimes you can't see it, right? I mean, unless you crunch it like this, then you can see better. And what you want to look for, it's for a, you know, strict support. And just real quick, just about that, you know, what I see in my eyes, I see the support right here. You see all these points right there? 1, 2, 3. That is that. This was resistance, 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 support, support, and then it broke to the top. It came in retest, went all the way up there. Now it's coming to the same area again. This area right there. Okay, so I will definitely go into that trade if I get triple arrows. That was GPCHF also looking good. And that one, the angle looks real nice. This is what we're looking for. Forget interest and support. In this case, to the buy. Once everything starts changing to the right direction, going up, we'll go into it. NCD USD. That was in the middle of nowhere. We're looking for price to be in the buys and sell zones. That is very choppy. You see triple arrows everywhere, no good. NCDCHF. That's looking kind of good right there. And last week we had a failed trade right there. There was triple arrows right here, and then the market did another low. This is what I'm talking about. That sometimes everything looks good, but then the market does another low. And let me look in the 1 hour how this one looks. And there's the at least close, which there's no support line. Sometimes you need to go back to daily to look for support. So where it is right now, you see, I have to go back all the way to a daily to find a good zone So I'm just teaching you guys right now how to look for zones. That's a good zone right there, don't you agree? Where you have resistance and support many times in the past, right? You can see that all along for a long time. That areas right there is very, very important. Because you have support, resistance, support, many times, many touches. So in the, I know this is the daily. In the daily, it looks like we still got room to go lower, and that is a reality. We can still go all the way down here in the daily. So 4 hours. So, but where we're looking in the 30 minutes is some kind of even a correction can be huge here. Just a correction, right? Let's see. Even if we only try to go for this pips right here, so whatever pips right. Oh, that's let me fix this. Hello, array. If I only try to go to this tops right here, that's 30-40 pips right there, no problem. How this one looks in the 30 minutes, it looks like that. I mean, that's pretty short, huh? How about if you go a little bit higher? You can go here, you can shoot for this, you can shoot for this part right there. So that's a good entrance right there for the week. Keep an eye on that. USD CHF, I'm about to be done. It's in the buy zone also, do the same. USD JPY. Come on. Oh, I need to drag it. Yeah. Okay, USD JPY. We're in the buy zone, and I consider this a good area right there. Support right there. There was a party right here, and it was filling the party right there. Okay, so there's might be a good entrance right there for the week. And the last one, USD CAD. Good entrance also. It's in the buy zone. If everything lines up. Just be careful because this can still pull back and even more move a lot more to the bottom. Well, thank you friends for sticking with me this Sunday for a few minutes. Thank you for all new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Trying to grow this to 1,000 so we can do some live trading, and I can say if I see opportunities in the market, I can send it instantaneously on YouTube, and also planning to do some live trading, like when I do analysis in the mornings to look for trades, pretty much. Well, thank you very much, friends. If you are interested in purchasing the system, you can go to Simplicity. I have a link below the video. If you use that link, it's going to benefit me, and if it's going to benefit you also, because I'm going to be here to help you whatever questions you need. I have a Telegram also. If you buy any of the systems, this is the Too Easy, which is $99 plus tax, or the Simplicity, which is $299 plus tax. They come with their own strategy, with their own indicators on this one. And Simplicity comes with the strategy with indicators plus the support of the group, and they have live classes every Tuesday and Wednesday by the owner and the creator of the system. You can ask one of the questions, and he will make sure that you understand what it's all about. And thank you very much for everything. If you purchase anything, please let me know. That way I know I can put you I'm trying to make a list, because maybe in the near future we'll start like our own Telegram group where we can help each other. And what else? So please, if you can promote the channel also. At this moment, Uncle P is not allowing no promotion of no channels in the chats, and I understand that, because there's a lot of scammers out there. They're trying to take advantage of groups of people, and but we can. I'm pretty sure we can make it to our group and make that happen. Okay, so Thank you very much. See you guys back on Wednesday. God bless you all. Be safe out there. And don't give up on your trading. Don't give up on your trading. It takes time, but it's going to happen, okay? Remember that it's not the indicators. It's you. It's me. It's our psychological way to trading that it's messing us up sometimes in our trading. And sometimes, you know, the more you can blame the markets also because they're not behaving the way they were supposed to. News are in the way also. Check for news. And thank you very much. God bless you all. Stay safe. See you back on Wednesday.